And the Honorable Prime Minister, he also himself went and campaigned for the then US President Mr. Donald Trump in 2019. If I am not wrong, I exactly remember the date, it's 22nd of September in 2019 in Texas. So someone who campaigned for Donald Trump will be in an ideal position and situation and far more apprised and will be able to answer with clarity that what made Mr. Donald Trump and the US government impose a 50% tariff on India. The onus is on him. The onus is on the incumbent NDA and BJP government, not Trinamool Congress. Why Mamata Banerjee never invited Donald Trump? The Trinamool never invited Donald Trump. No one from Trinamool went and campaigned for Donald Trump. Mamata Banerjee or anyone from Trinamool Congress, did they go and campaign for Donald Trump? Who went and campaigned for Donald Trump? Let me show you a small clip. A small clip. Who said this? Who said this? Who said this? I'm quoting him. I'm quoting him. He said, I present to you my friend, India's friend, Mr. Donald Trump. Did I say this? Did Mamata Banerjee say this? Did any member of the opposition say this? Who said this? And I also strongly condemn what Donald Trump said about India. He said the Indian economy is dead. Well, I don't agree. Nobody has got the might to kill the Indian economy. It's surviving on the love and affection of 140 crore Indians. I can say Indian economy is in ICU. From bad, it has become worse in the last 10 years. And by imposing 50% tariff, there will be a substantial job loss. Segments like IT, especially IT-related goods and services, pharmaceuticals and textiles will be badly affected. Exports will come down. And this is all because of the bossed-up foreign policy of the Union government. They have been speaking about India's global presence and how India has become a Vishwaguru. Is this the example? This is how India is being treated. What is stopping us from retaliating?